Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is Let's Scrutinize Your Screen Time. With the increasing use of technology, it's crucial to understand how much time we spend on our screens and the impact it has on our lives. Let's start by sharing how much screen time we typically have in a day. Anjali, would you like to start? Sure, ma'am. I'd say I spend around 5 to 6 hours a day on screens. This includes schoolwork, social media, and some gaming. I think it's a bit more than I'd like it to be. Thanks for sharing, Anjali. It's interesting to see how screen time can add up. Anurag, what about you?
I'm in a similar boat. I think my daily screen time is around 7 hours, mostly due to online classes and research for projects. I sometimes lose track of time while browsing or playing games.
That's common, Anurag. It's easy to get absorbed in activities online. Sania, how about you?
I try to limit my screen time to about 4 hours, but it often goes up to 6 or 7. I use screens for studying and socializing, but I've been trying to be more mindful about it.
It sounds like you're making an effort, Sania. Rohit, what's your daily screen time like?
I usually spend about 8 hours on screens. Between online classes, homework, and social media, it really adds up. I'm starting to feel that it might be affecting my focus and sleep.
That's a significant amount of time, Rohit. Recognizing its effects is an important first step. Now, let's discuss the potential impacts of excessive screen time. Anjali, what do you think some of those impacts might be? I think one of the main impacts is on our mental health. Spending too much time online can lead to anxiety or depression, especially with social media comparisons. Very true, Anjali. Social media can often create unrealistic expectations. Anurag, what other impacts do you see?
There's also the issue of physical health. Prolonged screen time can lead to eye strain, headaches, and a sedentary lifestyle, which can impact overall fitness.
Excellent point, Anurag. Physical health is greatly affected by how we use screens. Sanya, any other impacts you'd like to highlight?
I'd say it can also affect our sleep quality. Many of us use screens right before bed, which can make it harder to fall asleep and lead to fatigue the next day.
Absolutely, Sania. Screen time before bed can disrupt sleep patterns. Rohit, what do you think?
I think it can also impact our relationships. If we spend too much time on screens, we might miss out on face-to-face interactions, which are important for building connections.
Very insightful, Rohit. Quality interactions are essential for maintaining strong relationships. Now, let's talk about strategies to manage screen time. Anjali, what are some rules you think we should implement? I think setting specific limits for daily screen use can help. Maybe using apps that track screen time can make us more aware of how much we are using our devices. Good suggestion, Anjali. Monitoring usage can be eye-opening. Anurag, what do you recommend?
I'd suggest creating a schedule for screen time. Designating certain hours for homework and relaxation can help balance digital activities with other interests.
Great idea, Anurag. Sania, any other strategies?
I believe taking regular breaks is important. For instance, following the 20-20-20 rule, taking a 20-second break to look at something 20 feet away every 20 minutes can help reduce eye strain.
Excellent point, Sania. Breaks are vital for our physical well-being. Rohit, what else can we do?
I think having screen-free times, especially during meals or before bed, can encourage more meaningful interactions and better sleep hygiene.
Very wise, Rohit. Establishing screen-free zones can enhance relationships and improve sleep quality. Now, let's discuss the importance of these strategies. How can managing screen time positively impact our lives? Anjali, what do you think? Managing screen time can lead to better mental health. When we reduce our time online, we have more space for offline activities that can improve our mood and self-esteem. Very true, Anjali. Thank you all for such a thoughtful discussion. Scrutinizing our screen time is essential for our mental, physical, and emotional well being. Keep up the great work, everyone.